Hello, we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to install the AG-GRO unit and EWC-GRO. First, we would like to mount the units on the wall. As you can see, we have a few units mounted right here and right here. Next, we will go to installing our induction system. We have a 1-inch pipe we're installing our induction coils on. Coil number 1, coil number 2. We will be installing these on a 1-inch PVC pipe. What we have here is the induction coils. The labels match up with the unit they go to. We got the AG-GRO here, which goes with this unit. We mount this one here. These one here will go second after the AG-GRO unit. These will have to be mounted approximately 36 inches apart with the flow of the water. AG-GRO first, EWC-GRO second. Next, we will begin to insert the induction coil inserts into the PVC pipe. Measure around 14¼ inches of pipe to be removed. Mark 14¼ Now, we will cut the pipe with our supplied cutters. The supplied induction coil capsules are pre-wrapped with 1-inch inserts for 1-inch PVC pipe. Reducers can be used if 3/4 pipe. Wet location glue is needed if the pipes are going to be wet when inserting the coil inserts. When installing the second induction coil, they must be approximately 36 inches apart. So measure between each induction about 36 inches. And this will, your second coil will be inserted. Again, we will install the second coil approximately 36 inches away from the first. Apply glue on both surfaces to ensure good connection. Pipe glue. Next step is connecting induction coils to control module. First, you need to strip off about 2 inches of jacketing to expose the wires. Strip off approximately 1/4 to 1/2 inch to expose the wire. Install into binding post under unit. We repeat step 2 with the second coil by removing insulation from the wire, exposing the 2 wires. To be inserted in the bottom of the EWC-GRO. Final step is connecting power to each unit. Regular 110 plug. As you see, the splash screen comes on with our model. Normal operation mode will go to a green LED, then to blue. This indicates the unit is running normally. Press diagonal, the diag button, and it will show the parameters of what the unit is operating under. And the system is ready. Step 2, connect power to EWC-GRO unit 120 with supplied power cord. As you can see, we have the green, means everything is ready, and we should switch to a blue LED, which indicates normal operation. At this point, the system is operating normally, and that is it. As long as you see green or blue LEDs, the units are normally operating, or blue ring around this one shows normal operation also.